In this video, I'll show you how to create super cool commands with random numbers, like an exclamation IQ command that displays the viewer's IQ. First, log into the Kicklet.App website. If you haven't signed up for Kicklet yet, I'll link the video here on how to set everything up. Then we'll jump right in. First, click on the Commands tab, then go to your custom commands. Click the plus sign to create a new command and select the Advanced Editor. We'll start by making the command IQ. The response is fine as is. Next, go to Availability. Here, I think it's important that a viewer can't spam the command, so I'll set the user cooldown to 1 minute. Now that everything is set up, we can create the message. Just type sender and press enter. This will be replaced by the sender's name. Maybe we'll add an @ sign before it, then type a comma, followed by your IQ is. Now, for the random number, simply type rand and press enter. You can set the range from which the random number will be selected. Let's say from 70 to 130. Or we could make it a bit higher, up to 150. This will give us a random number between 70 and 150. Finally, I'll add a period at the end, and now the command is ready to be tested. We see, John Kicklet, your IQ is 70. If I run it again, it'll give a different number. Don't forget to save the command by clicking Save at the top. With that, we've successfully completed the first command. You can do this with as many commands as you like. Be creative and boost engagement in your chat. Now let's quickly switch to Kick, so I can show you how it looks in action. To do this, we simply enter our exclamation IQ command here, and we can see that everything works perfectly. Feel free to add other commands like exclamation point shoe size, as you wish. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.